Hi guys, it's Michelle. So I might look a wee bit funny just now. So a few people had said to me just recently from photos I've had on Instagram and the likes, would I do a wee quick updated brow video? So that is what we're going to do just now. Okay, so hi, I'm Michelle. Sorry, I've got alopecia. If you are new to the channel, thanks for coming. If you have been before, thanks for coming back. So I'm just going to very quickly fire through what I do for the kind of look I've been having on my brows lately. So I use this. I have a few shades of this. This one is the ebony. In fact, you know what? I think I'm going to use the chocolate. So what I'm going to do, first off, what I do is I get a little brush. I have a Morphe G29 brush here. It just has a little small head on it. So what I actually did was I got eyelash glue. I get eyelash glue and I put it on this and squeezed it so that this is fairly firm now. And as you can see, it's got that angle on it. So what I'm going to do is just dip a little into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and create some brows. You can see in the past I have had my eyebrows tattooed and they're fading. I've been getting them removed. So this is what we do. So dip brow on the Morphe brush, and I just use this to do the shape of brow that I want to go for. Sometimes I'll go for a straight brow, sometimes I'll go for more of an arched brow. So this is what we do first off, and then just lightly I will add a wee bit of that. I'm not dipping back in, I'm just literally basically colouring in my brow. This is going to look quite solid, and don't panic, that's because it's not finished. Okay, so you might look at this and go, okay, you've got a shape of brow, but it's not exactly what... Zoom in. Wee! So you might think, yeah, okay, so Michelle, you have your brow here. So I've just literally used that dip brow, one wee dip in, and it's fairly light. Obviously, if you want to go darker, go darker. If you want to use a lighter shade, I often use the auburn because it is a bit lighter. So that's one brow drawn on. What I do next is I grab my Physician Formula. If you can see this, Physician Formula. This is the lash boosting 2-in-1 serum. I don't have eyelashes. This is an eyeliner. This is what I use to create the kind of hair stroke look on my brow. So that I've done here will actually look as though, hopefully when I've done the hair strokes, that I've used this just to define my brow. So we have this very plain, fairly solid thing. Now what I'm doing is going from the kind of inner corner of my eye upwards is where my brow would kind of generally be starting, past my nose here. So a wee bit further back from there, just here say, I do a line straight up very lightly. And another one. And then I do very small little lines to imitate that hair stroke look. Okay, so that's kind of the gist of it. If you want it to look a wee bit more like natural but not too sculpted, what you can do is add a few of your little false hair strokes sticking out the top of that shadowed area so they're not quite as tidy looking, but that gives the kind of gist of one of the brows and how I do it. So I'll quickly do that again on the other side. So first of all, I'll go in with my dip brow. I will draw out the shape of brow I'm going to have to match this hopefully, then add some hair strokes and let you guys have another wee quick peek at it. Okay. Want to make sure your brows are going to be the same level as well. I've often made a bit of a boo-boo with that. So again, I now have the shape of this brow. I use that because I find it ends up totally waterproof and will not budge through the day. So now I'm going to add some hair strokes. You can see I've done there. I've started drawing some in other directions to make it look a bit more messy and straggly. That would be the kind of brows for me. It was a wee bit of a rushed effort, so I apologise, but it was just to show you guys my wee kind of updated routine because people had asked My eyeshadow is a bit of a mess right now because what I did was I just rubbed my brows off so that I could redraw them for this video. So I'll try and blend this eyeshadow a wee bit more effectively because it was a wee bit of a mess. So that's the kind of brows, and I know that these are fairly waterproof and they will stay all day. When I was away in Florida, this is what I did with my brows every day, and in the humidity and the heat they totally waited on. And I met a beautiful girl in Florida who also has alopecia, and I think she had asked what I did with my brows, and I had just said, oh, I just use the Anastasia and then some Physician Formula eyeliner to dot on hair strokes. So when I was there as well, I was saying, like, you know, if you feel you need to waterproof your brows a wee bit more, what you can actually do is you can use lip coat. It's available in the UK. There is a brow coat as well, but I find them to be pretty much the same. So I use a lip coat sometimes, and you can just paint that over these brows and seal them. But there's 1, 2, they're fairly similar. Maybe not. I was going to say sisters, not twins, don't know, maybe they're cousins, maybe they're pals, maybe they're falling out, but I'm happy with the look of them just now anyway. So that was a wee quick updated brow routine for you guys. I purely use those products because I find for me, when I get hot, when I get sweaty, I don't want my brows running all over my face, but I do like the freedom of drawing my brows on rather than having them fixed, you know, like semi-permanent, because sometimes I will have them more arched like this, sometimes I'll have them very straight. It depends what mood I'm in and what I'm going for. But I hope this video was kind of helpful for you guys. Thanks very much for tuning in again. If you enjoyed, give me a wee thumbs up, please. But please do like and subscribe to the channel. Hit down below to subscribe. There's a wee bell there as well. If you hit that, you'll be notified whenever I upload, and sometimes I upload videos on makeup, sometimes, a lot of the time, it is more wig related, hair loss related, alopecia. I'm happy to kind of do whatever suits people, but yeah, these are the brows as they are for just now. So thanks for tuning in, love to you all. Don't forget, keep sparkling, be real beautiful. Bye guys. What?